Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaraiva. This is 12th standard maths CBSE chapter 9 miscellaneous exercise third subdivision. We should find out the given function is the given function is the corresponding function of the given differential equation or not. See here it is given as y equal to x sin 3x. D square by dx square, we have to prove d square by dx square plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x equal to 0. Take it as y equal to x sin 3x, you can take it as 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y become dy by dx. dy by dx equal to, you can apply uv formula because two x terms are there, you can use it as a product rule. uv dash plus v u dash. X into differentiation of sin 3x is nothing but what? Cos 3x into 3x differentiation is 3. 3 into 1 plus sin 3x into x become 1. Sin 3x into x become 1. dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to 3x cos 3x plus sin 3x. 3x plus 3x into cos 3x plus sin 3x. Again you will differentiate d square y by dx square. d square y by dx square. dy by dx with respect to x. So it become d square y by dx square. See here you can apply uv formula because two x terms are there. Can use it as a product rule. So uv, you can apply the uv formula here. u into 3x into differentiation of cos 3x is nothing but what? Minus sin 3x into 3. Cos 3x is minus sin 3x. That 3x differentiation is 3 plus cos 3x. Cos 3x into, what is the differentiation of 3x? 3x is 3. See here 3x into differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into differentiation of 3x is 3 because successive differentiation plus cos 3x, v value is cos 3x into differentiation of 3x is 3 plus differentiation of sin 3x. Sin 3x is nothing but what? Cos 3x into 3 because cos x differentiation is, sin x differentiation is cos x, but here in the term of x 3 is there. So you have to differentiate again 3x become 3 into 1 3. So d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square equal to minus 3x, 3 3s are 9, minus 9, 3 3s are 9 minus 9x sin 3x, 3 3s are 9 minus 9x sin 3x plus 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 3 6, 6 cos 3x, 6 cos 3x. So d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square equal to, what is the value of x sin 3x? X sin 3x is nothing but what? Y. So you can write it as x sin 3x as y. So minus 9y plus 6 cos 3x minus 9y plus 6 cos 3x. So d square y by dx square plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x equal to 0. d square y by dx square plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x equal to 0. Hence proved. So therefore the given function. Therefore, the given function is a solution. The given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. Corresponding solution of the corresponding differential equation. Therefore, the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. See the fourth subdivision, x square equal to 2y square log y. Then you have to prove x square y square into dy, x square plus y square into dy by dx minus xy equal to 0. You can see that the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation or not. See here, you can take it as x square plus 2y, x square equal to 2y square log y, you can take it as 1. Then differentiate with respect to x, x square become 2x. You can apply uv formula because both y terms are there. So, you can apply uv formula, u into differentiation of v, that is differentiation of v, log y is 1 by y into dy by dx, because with respect to x only we are doing. So, u as it is you will write, what is the differentiation of v, because u v dash plus v u dash, u v dash plus v u dash, 2y square into differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into, what is the differentiation of 2y square, 4y, whenever y comes you can put what, dy by dx, it comes dy by dx. So, 2x equal to y get cancelled, 2y into dy by dx plus 4y log y into dy by dx. So, 2x equal to 2, you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining value? Y into dy by dx plus 2y log y, 2y log y into dy by dx, 2y log y into dy by dx, you cancel this value. See, multiply y on both the sides, multiply y on both sides because y square on both sides. So, what is the value? X into y, xy, xy equal to y into y dy by dx plus 2y log y into dy by dx, 2y log y, 2y log y into dy by dx. So, xy equal to y square dy by dx, y into y square dy by dx plus 2y square plus 2y square into log y into dy by dx. What is 2y square into log y? 2y square into log y equal to x square from 1. So, xy equal to y square dy by dx plus 2y square log y, you can take it as, write it as x square into dy by dx from 1. So, xy into xy equal to, you can take it as dy by dx commonly out. What is the remaining value? You can write it in a proper way, x square, because it is commutative, because addition is there, x square plus y square, x square plus y square. See, x square plus y square into dy by dx. Can bring that xy to the right hand side, become minus xy equal to 0. Therefore, the given function is a solution of the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. Solution of the corresponding differential equation is the solution of the corresponding differential equation. Corresponding differential equation. See the fourth sum. Prove that x square minus y square equal to c into x square plus y square the whole square is the general solution. We have to prove is the general solution of differential equation x cube minus 3x y square into dx equal to y cube minus 3x square into y into dy, where c is a parameter. So first you can check this is a homogeneous equation. See, x cube minus 3xy square into dx equal to y cube minus 3x square y into dy by dx equal to x cube minus 3xy square x cube minus 3xy square by y cube minus 3x square y. You can check the power. Both numerator and denominator have equal degree. So we can apply the homogeneous equation. So put y equal to Vx. It is a homogeneous equation, so you can apply y equal to Vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to uv formula, because both are function. V into 1 plus x into dv by dx, you can take it as 1, and this 2 you apply the 2 value in y, 2 value in 1 for dy by dx. So dy by dx become v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx, x cube minus 3x into y become vx. Y value is vx the whole square by y cube is vx the whole cube minus 3x square into vx minus 3x square into vx. So v plus x into dv by dx equal to x cube minus 3x v square x square by v cube x cube minus 3x square vx v plus x into dv by dx equal to x cube minus 3v square x cube by v cube x cube minus 3x cube v. See, v plus x into dv by dx equal to x cube, you can take it out. What is the remaining value left out there? 1 minus 3v square by x cube into v cube minus 3v. X cube into v cube minus 3v. X cube get cancelled. So v plus x into dv by dx. v plus x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus 3v square by v cube minus 3v. So x into dv by dx equal to x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus 3v square by v cube minus 3v minus v minus v. So x into dv by dx equal to, you can take it as the LCM, v cube minus 3v. So 1 minus 3v square, 1 minus 3v square minus v into, what is the LCM? V cube minus 3v whole divided by v cube minus 3v. So x into dv by dx equal to, dv by dx equal to 1 minus 3v square, 1 minus 3v square minus v power 4 plus 3v square by v cube minus 3v, v cube minus 3v, 3v square get cancelled. So x into dv by dx, x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus v power 4, 1 minus v power 4 by v cube minus 3v. Variable separable method. So variable separable method will reciproc that value v cube minus 3v by 1 minus v power 4, v cube minus 3v by 1 minus v power 4 equal to dx by x, dx by x. You can separate the value, v cube by 1 minus v power 4 minus 3v by 1 minus v power 4 equal to dx by x, equal to dx by x. See integral v cube by 1 minus v power 4, integral v cube by 1 minus v power 4. Here dv is there, dv is there. Integral v cube by 1 minus v power 4 dv minus 3 into integral v by 1 minus v power 4 into dv equal to integral dx by x. So you can take it as this is I1 minus 3 I2. Separately you can do the sum. I1, what is I1 value? I1 equal to integral v cube by 1 minus v power 4 into v power 4 into dv. See 1, what is the differentiation of 1? 0. V power 4 is 4v cube. So you can take it as 1 minus v power 4 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to v on both the sides, 0 minus 4v cube minus 4v cube into dv equal to dt, dv equal to dt. So I1 equal to, see here, minus v cube dv, v cube dv equal to, v cube dv equal to minus 1 by 4 dt, v cube dv equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. So v cube dv equal to integral minus 1 by 4 dt, v cube dv equal to minus 1 by 4 dt by 1 minus v power 4, nothing but what? T. So I1 equal to minus 1 by 4, can take it out. What is the remaining value? dt by t. So I1 equal to minus 1 by 4 into dt by t is nothing but log of mod t plus c. At last you will write log of mod t. So minus 1 by 4 log of modulus of, you replace that value t by 1 minus v power 4. 1 minus v power 4. So you can take it as I2 alone. I2 equal to, afterwards you will multiply that minus 3. I2 equal to v by 1 minus v power 4. You will write it as v square the whole square. V square the whole square into dv. V square the whole square into dv. See here, v square you can take it as s. V square you can take it as s. So differentiate with respect to v, we are doing 2v into dv equal to ds. 2v into dv. 2v into dv equal to, differentiation of s is ds. So v dv equal to 1 by 2 into ds. v dv equal to 1 by 2 into ds. So I2 equal to integral, what is v dv? 1 by 2 ds by 1 by 2 ds by 1 minus v square is s square. 1 minus v square is s square. So I2 equal to 1 by 2, you can take it out. What is the remaining value? ds by 1 square minus s square. 1 square minus s square. So I2 equal to 1 by 2 into integral ds by 1 square minus s square. So what is the formula? Integral dx by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a log of modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. A plus x by a minus x plus c. So I2 equal to 1 by 2 into I2 equal to 1 by 2 into log of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a. A value is what? 1 square. 1 by 2a. A value is, this is a square, this is x square. 1 by 2a log of modulus of 1 plus s by 1 minus s plus c, you will write at last. So I2 equal to 1 by 4 log of modulus of 1 plus s, what we have replaced by s? 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square. 1 by 4 log of 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square. See here, I1 value is minus 1 by 4 log of modulus of 1 minus v power 4. I2 value is what? 1 by 4 into log of modulus of 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square equal to integral dx by x. So you can take it as minus 1 by 4 out. What is the remaining value? Log of modulus of 1 minus v power 4 plus 3 into log of modulus of 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square equal to log of mod x plus log of mod c. Log of mod x plus log of mod c. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into log of modulus of 1 minus v power 4. According to the power rule, you can bring it to the power. Log of modulus of 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square the whole cube. 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square the whole cube equal to, can apply log m plus log n formula. It is nothing but what? Log of mn. Log of mn. So minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into, again you can apply what? Log m plus log n formula. Log m plus log n, log of modulus of 1 minus v power 4. 1 minus v power 4 into 1 plus v square the whole cube by 1 minus v square the whole cube equal to log of mod xc, log of mod xc, log of mod xc. So 1 square minus 1 square, you can make it as this one, 1 square v square the whole square, 1 square v square the whole square. You can apply the formula a square minus b square. So it gives minus 1 by 4 into log of modulus of a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus v square into 1 plus v square, a square a plus b into a minus b into 1 plus v square the whole cube by 1 plus v square the whole cube by 1 minus v square the whole cube, 1 minus v square the whole cube equal to log of mod xc, log of mod xc. So you cancel this value, 1 minus v square, 1 minus v square, it is 2. So what is the answer? See here, minus 1 by 4 into log of modulus of 1 plus v square, 1 plus v square the whole cube. If the bases are same, you can add the powers. So 1 plus v square the whole power 4, 1 plus v square the whole power 4 by 1 minus v square the whole square, 1 minus v square the whole square equal to log of mod xc, log of mod xc. See, you can use the power rule, log of modulus of 1 plus v square the whole power 4 by 1 minus v square the whole square whole power minus 1 by 4, whole power according to the power whole power minus 1 by 4 equal to log of mod xc. Taking anti-log on both the sides or raising the power e on both the sides, what is the value we are getting? See, 1 plus v square the whole power 4 by 1 minus v square the whole square, because log get cancelled, whole power minus 1 by 4 equal to xc. See here, you can raise the power like this, 1 plus v square the whole power 4 by 1 minus v square the whole square whole power minus 1 by 4 into minus 4, raising the power minus 4 on both the sides, raising the power minus 4 on both the sides. So 4 get cancelled, minus and minus become plus. See, 1 plus, what is the final thing? 1 plus v square the whole power 4 by 1 minus v square the whole square, 1 minus v square the whole square equal to c power minus 4 x power minus 4, c power minus 4 x power minus 4. You apply the value, you know very well, y equal to vx, v equal to y by x. So 1 plus y square by x square whole power 4 by 1 minus y square by x square the whole square equal to, you can bring it down, 1 by cx whole power 4, 1 by cx whole power 4, that is c power 4 x power 4. You can take the LCM, x square plus y square by x square whole power 4, x square plus y square by x square the whole power 4 by x square minus y square by x square the whole square equal to cx whole power 1 by cx whole power 4, 1 by cx whole power 4. So x square plus y square the whole power 4 by x power 6, x power 8, because a power m whole power n equal to a power mn, x power 8 into you reciprocal that value, that is x power 4 by x power 4, that is x square the whole power 4 by x square minus y square the whole square. Is it clear, children? See, x square plus y square the whole power 4, a power m whole power n value is a power mn. So x power 8 into that division. So you can reciprocal, you can put a multiplication sign and you can reciprocal that value. X square the whole square is x power 4 by x square minus y square the whole square equal to 1 by c power 4 x power 4, c power 4 x power 4, get cancel x power 4. So what is the final value? X power 4 x square plus y square the whole power 4 by x power 4 into x square minus y square the whole square equal to 1 by c power 4 into x power 4. X power 4 get cancel. See, reciprocal that value, cross multiplication, or otherwise you can do the cross multiplication, x square minus y square the whole square equal to c power 4 into x square plus y square the whole power 4. X square minus y square the whole square equal to c power 4 into x square plus y square the whole power 4, taking square root on both the sides, raising the power 1 by 2 on both the sides. So you are getting the value x square minus y square equal to c power 4 become c square into x square plus y square the whole square, but it is given in x square minus y square into c into x square plus y square the whole square. So you can take it as c is a parameter, so you can change the value c by c square. So what is the proof? X square minus y square equal to c into x square plus y square the whole square, because this is a parameter, so we can change it accordingly. So c equal to c square, you can change that value, c by c square, x square minus y square equal to c into x square plus y square the whole square, hence the proof. I hope you understood this homogeneous equation, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.